Hey all! I think handmade things are always precious because they have a magical touch of your hands. Why not making your own friendship bands and tie them to your best friends? If you are thinking this, then you must definitely check this video out because I'm going to show you how to make your own friendship bands in today's DIY. Welcome to Sparklebox. If DIY is your love, then you must definitely subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, let's get started with our today's DIY.
Cotton threads, scissors and tape. Take some colorful cotton threads. Now, make a knot on them. Paste them on a surface with the tape and do as shown. Make knots on the threads. Extra thread using a scissor. The friendship band is ready.
I'm sure you must have loved making this. Give it a try yourself and share your work with us in Instagram by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Share your thoughts about this video in the comment section below and I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, see you all!